about to. We're on the Hurricane Sand Dunes, just going over here to gather up a Can-Am side by side, I believe is what we're chasing. Missing a front wheel. Must have lawn darted a little bit, so we're gonna got the old Black Pearl and the beat up single axle flatbed. So we're gonna go out here and get him gathered up and get back to town and get her fixed up, and he'll be on the road again.
Feet, 1 foot.
That get us anywhere?
Yeah, I got you first tire started.
Awesome. Let me grab those back. Definitely get the feet. So on one like this, sometimes we can get it going up on there, and other times it's an absolute nightmare. And I could load it backwards, and sometimes that works too. Always kind of offset that a little bit. I already had lunch, so I'm not going to eat your sandwich yet.
Oh, the seat's way up.
Oh, I'm okay.
Turn the other way, baby. Can you turn anything?
I'm trying to turn a little bit. Think we can get that to drop in?
Not quite.
Been a busy day. We're back out at Sand Hollow. We've been at the Hurricane Sand Dunes. We've been on the Arizona Strip. We've been at the shop. Where else did I go today? Did a couple tows this afternoon.
Change water.
I had an irrigation turn that started at midnight and went to noon. That was a long night. Have to switch head gates every 2 hours. I had quite the week, and it's only Friday. We got Trail Hero coming to town this week. Super excited about that. Got a big music festival and the whole 9 yards, and Rich Klein that runs it called me and wanted me to have my equipment out there to make sure they had what they needed to get people in and out, on and off the beach, and get set up. So Saturday and Sunday we'll probably be doing that. Monday, Tuesday, even a little bit. Sounds like Factor 55 and Warren Industries is in charge of the recoveries. I work with them quite a bit, so I've talked to Justin and a few of the guys, and they're going to rely on me to help them out when they need some help, so I'll be excited to do that. So we'll get the videos rolling, get them shot out to you as quick as we get them edited up. We'll take you along for the ride. Alright, look, we're getting all set up for Trail Hero. Got Skyjacker and KRX, Yamaha. Who else is out here? Monster. Got the crew rolling in. And the sand's been rolling in too.
Little CD vans.
There's two more stuck on the beach. I guess I'll go get them.
Is there?
In the mud though.
Oh.
You got a winch cable? Oh! Whoa!
Yeah.
All right. Whoa!
That's some scary stuff there. Did you see that bridge on that?
Okay.
I'd try it at least once before I get stuck, and then I think we're probably just going to have to go get the 5-ton.
Okay.
It's in there good.
I mean, what if we just tighten it to him? You think it will have the weight? Because we're just dragging.
I don't think it will. I think it'll drag us
Drag
both.
You're in there good.
Send that to me.
Dang, you did that with your phone.
Huh?
Should have done that with your phone. Out. You're going out.
I can guarantee if I knew him, we would have went clear across the beach in reverse.
Yeah?
I've done that before. I was 16.
We're good.
No.
No, come on,
Seriously.
man.
I was already here. I'm good.
Sure?
Oh man. I'm not sure I want to drive down there.
Yeah.
Hey, you got a soft shackle? Have I ever got a deal for you? I'll use my rope if you'll use your soft shackle.
You gotta get under there and dig it and put it on.
Yeah.
Somebody does.
You want to pull him forward?
I do.
Okay.
Sort of. Gotta get a picture of you. Stuck there. Come on, what's your mother's name? I'll send it to her.
He's like, no.
Or your dad, he'll be the one that's proud.
Hey, post it on a Tuesday and put Taco Tuesday.
Oh.
You're gonna take the tacos 4-wheel and you gotta modify it.
Oh.
You gotta put some sauce on that thing. Alright, we gotta find something to hook to. I don't want to be over there.
This is better than over there. Oh, God, no. No, no, it's a waterbed. Until you break through.
Just get back.
Oh. Hey, people pay good money to have this stuff done to you. Like, you know, that black mud treatment. You're getting it for free.
I probably won't use your soft shackle.
Are you seeing that you're in the freaking waterbed right now?
I know, that's why I'm stopped doing what I was doing. This is worse than that Dodge.
Yeah, it is.
But it's lighter. I think you can just pour something
Hey, you ready? Yeah. Four-wheel drive low?
in. Hey, are those...
No, it's a two-wheel drive.
You're not hooked up to that other truck, are you?
Yeah, I don't want to hit him very hard. That's not a very good phone point. I just don't want that thing. The rope went past me.
I guess you don't have to sleep here after all.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, now you gotta go home and get that crap off it.
Yeah, it's like dealing in chicken crap.
Stay up on dry land.
No, faster. More
No,
throttle.
that
Here's a
wouldn't have
little
helped.
hint. You are not going to get to the water this weekend. The water is...
Yeah, he is. He's just going to have to walk there.
Well, that's true. Back when the water was way up, and yeah, you could drive right down to it, hang out, play in it, all that good
We
shit.
better make sure the black one comes out
It's
now.
like that.
Uh-huh.
She'll come out.
Uh-huh. Famous last words. I got this.
Is that one's not stuck?
No, not.
Look, I must admit, your truck looked like a car over here. Because it was in that hole.
Yeah, is that car stuck?
That looks like a Toyota
car
Corolla.
stuck.
Friday turned into a work week. I did, how many tows? 4 tows at Sand Hollow on my way home. I came out here for a minivan and then it turned into a full-time job. So the old Black Pearl, Becky's Black Pearl, pulling her weight. We probably ought to put a winch on the old girl. We'll get some shots from Trail Hero event coming up. Thanks for coming along for the ride. That was a good time.
Hey, you guys stand back, okay?